Hey Ski-Doo riders, I'm Jonathan, Ski-Doo Specialist. Today we're here to show you when and how to replace the Hyfax on your Ski-Doo snowmobile. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below to always get the latest Ski-Doo how-to content and insider info. The Hyfax, also called slider shoes, run along the bottom of the rear skid rails. They help the track move smoothly around the skid so you get the best performance from your sled and prolong the life of your track. Like a drive belt, track, or the wear bars on your skis, the Hyfax has a usable life and they require occasional replacement. As the track spins, it kicks up snow on the Hyfax to add some lubrication between the Hyfax and metal track clips. If you're riding in low snow or icy conditions, your Hyfax will wear out quicker than if you're riding in loose snow. Knowing when to change your Hyfax is easy, and if you look at the outside edge, you'll see a line that runs down its full length. This is the wear indicator. If your Hyfax is worn to or past this line, it's time to change them out. Changing them is quite easy as well. All you'll need is a new pair of Hyfax, a Phillips screwdriver, a center punch, a mallet, pliers, a handsaw, some silicone lubricant, and a track stand. Before we get started, make sure your Ski-Doo is on a level surface and to remove your tether cord. First, we'll lift the rear of the snowmobile so the track is off the ground. This can be done with a track stand or a hoist. Then, we'll release the track tension by loosening the tension screws and removing the screw that runs through the front of the Hyfax, holding it in place. Turn the track by hand until one of the track windows aligns with the screw, allowing you to access it from below. Then, place your center punch into the screw hole and tap it with your mallet towards the rear of the sled. Keep doing that until you can grasp the back end of the Hyfax with the pliers and pull it out through the track window. You may have to twist the Hyfax as you're pulling it free to fit it through. Your new Hyfax may not come pre-measured to the exact size, so you'll need to measure the new Hyfax against the old one. Mark it at the same length and cut it to your correct size with your handsaw. Now that your new Hyfax is cut to the right size, apply a slight amount of silicone lubricant to help it slide onto the rail easier. Then insert the Hyfax through the track window at 90 degrees and twist it to its proper orientation as you start to slide it down the skid rail. Continue pushing the new Hyfax forward on the rail until the set screw hole aligns with the hole in your skid. You may have to use your punch and mallet to push it through the last little bit. With the holes aligned, replace the new set screw and tighten it. You'll repeat the same process on the opposite side of the snowmobile. With your new Hyfax installed, you're ready to get back to the trails or the backcountry with your Ski-Doo snowmobile. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button for more Ski-Doo snowmobile owner tips. You can also find more great content in the Owner Zone section of the Ski-Doo website. We'll see you on the snow.